the new Panasonic air conditioning systems. Let's take a look at Panasonic's impressively broad lineup. Featuring VRF technology, the FSV series. Up to 64 indoor units can be connected in a single system. 3 module combinations give the outdoor units a wide capacity range from 8 to 60 horsepower. The FSV controller lineup is designed to control a range of indoor and outdoor units. Centralized control ensures optimal temperature levels and energy efficiency, reducing energy costs throughout a building. The multi-split packaged FS Multi-Series. A smaller installation space and minimal maintenance allows streamlined designs with little impact on a building's exterior appearance. This series is ideal for small to medium-sized buildings, condominiums and homes. Single split room air conditioners. Room air conditioners are ideal for the home. 2 advanced technologies deliver impressive energy savings.
EcoNavi technology achieves up to 35% energy savings through sensors that detect room conditions and people's presence and movement to automatically control air conditioner operation.
Panasonic's inverter technology achieves up to 50% energy savings, using only the minimum power necessary through automatic precision adjustment of compressor speed. Moreover, these air conditioners can be combined in entire building systems through serial connectivity, including connection to third-party control systems. Multi-split room air conditioners. One outdoor unit can support multiple indoor units, an ideal solution where installation space is limited, featuring EcoNavi technology to save energy. Single split packaged air conditioners, the FS series. Offering flexible installation with indoor units that blend into the decor and the latest energy-saving inverter technology, this series is ideal for offices and stores. Panasonic's wide range of air conditioners gives you the freedom to design for any building scale. Easy to install, superior performance, and most importantly, energy saving.